everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. Happy to see you again.
Today, we have a relaxing and happy topic.
Something warm, something fun.
We are talking about hobbies.
The things we enjoy doing in our free time.
Hobbies give peace, joy, energy.
And they help us know ourselves better.
So today, simple English, slow English about hobbies.
Yes, calm learning time together.
Before we begin, please subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this video if hobbies make your heart happy.
Yes, hobbies equals happiness.
If no hobbies, we will find one today for you.
Yes, new hobbies are gifts.
Sarah, do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I love reading.
Reading is a beautiful hobby, calm and deep.
And you, Sarah? I love painting. Colors feel like magic to me.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
Let's begin with easy hobby vocabulary. Repeat in your mind.
Reading,
Writing,
painting,
drawing,
cooking,
baking,
traveling,
hiking,
gardening,
listening to music,
watching movies,
dancing,
singing,
photography,
yoga.
meditation.
Nice and simple.
Yes, hobby words are friendly.
Now, small hobby sentences.
I like reading books.
I enjoy painting pictures.
I love listening to music.
I enjoy cooking new recipes.
I like traveling to new places.
I enjoy learning new things.
I like watching relaxing videos.
I enjoy walking in nature.
Thomas, what hobby relaxes you?
Reading, with tea, soft light, quiet room. Very peaceful.
That sounds cozy.
And what relaxes you?
Painting with slow music. It feels like breathing light.
Let's talk about music hobbies.
I like listening to soft songs.
I enjoy guitar sounds.
I love peaceful music in the evening.
Yes. Evening music hobby. Beautiful.
And sometimes I sing. A little.
And I listen. Always.
Perfect team.
How about movie hobbies?
I like watching movies.
Romantic movies?
Action movies.
Emotional, happy movies make me smile.
Movie plus snacks equals best hobby plan.
Yes. Snacks are important.
Nature hobbies now.
I like walking near trees.
I enjoy sitting outside in soft sunlight.
I like watching birds.
I enjoy looking at flowers.
Nature hobbies give peace.
Yes, nature is gentle therapy.
Sports hobbies now.
I enjoy football.
I enjoy yoga. Slow and calm.
Running, stretching, body feeling free.
Swimming. Water feels like freedom. Movement is life.
Yes, play like children sometimes.
Do you have food hobbies? Food hobby expert here.
Yes, I know.
I like trying new food.
I like cooking something warm.
I enjoy slow eating, like meditation.
Taste hobby. Very nice.
Childhood hobbies?
I liked cycling and climbing trees.
Tree climbing hobby? Brave child.
Yes, mini adventure hero. I liked drawing on walls.
On walls?
Yes, my parents were
not happy.
Artist child. Let's practice feeling sentences. I feel happy when I read.
I feel peaceful when I paint.
I feel excited when I travel.
I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
I feel creative when I write.
I feel alive when I learn new things.
Hobbies equal medicine for the heart.
Yes, soft medicine.
Now, weekend hobbies. Sleeping extra, important hobby.
Yes, resting hobby.
Reading on a sofa.
Cooking something tasty.
Slow walk outside.
Listening to rain.
So gentle.
Yes, hobbies don't need to be loud.
Quiet hobbies are beautiful too.
Let's practice speaking patterns.
I like blank.
I like painting.
I like reading.
I enjoy blink.
I enjoy cooking.
I enjoy learning languages.
I love blank.
I love traveling.
I love drawing. Easy, calm, English.
Yes, small sentences, big meaning. Let's imagine a peaceful hobby day.
Morning light, calm mind.
You sit with tea slowly,
You open a book
or color something soft.
or stretch gently.
You don't rush
You breathe slowly.
and enjoy your time.
Time with yourself is a hobby too.
Yes, beautiful hobby.
Friends, tell us in comments.
What do you enjoy doing?
And what hobby do you want to try next? Now, a small affirmation moment. Gently repeat.
I enjoy my hobbies.
I give time to myself.
My hobbies make me happy.
My hobbies calm my mind.
I deserve peaceful moments.
I grow with my hobbies. I enjoy learning slowly. Beautiful. Very warm.
Yes, hobbies bring sunshine inside.
Welcome back, friends. Let's continue our calm hobby conversation.
Yes, we are still enjoying peaceful hobby energy.
We talked about many hobbies already, but there are more.
Hobbies are everywhere, like little pieces of sunshine.
Yes, sunshine for the heart. Thomas, do you like photography?
Yes, I enjoy taking simple photos. Trees, sky, teacups.
Teacups?
Yes, tea has emotions too.
Very deep tea philosophy. I also like photography. Slow, soft moments.
Yes, capturing peace
A picture can hold a feeling.
and a memory forever.
Do you like journaling, Thomas?
Yes, writing small thoughts, simple feelings.
Writing is a gentle hobby, like talking to your own heart.
Beautiful description.
Let's share journaling sentences.
Today I feel calm.
Today, I am grateful.
Today I learned something small.
Today, I enjoyed a quiet moment.
Today I did a hobby I love.
Nice, sweet lines. How about language learning as a hobby?
Yes, like English.
I enjoy learning English every day.
I practice a little every day.
I learn slow, calm, steady.
I enjoy new words and new ideas.
Soft learning is powerful learning.
Yes, gentle practice builds strong skills.
Let's talk social hobbies, too.
Spending time with family,
Talking with friends,
drinking tea together,
walking with someone,
laughing together.
sharing stories.
Social hobbies feel warm.
Sometimes hobbies are quiet and alone.
Sometimes hobbies are joyful and social.
Both are beautiful.
Balance hobby life.
Let's talk silly hobbies too.
Oh yes, every person has one funny hobby.
I sometimes rearrange pillows for fun.
Pillow interior designer hobby.
And you?
I talk to plants sometimes.
That's adorable.
They look happy, so I talk.
Plant whisperer hobby.
Nature friendship hobby. Haha.
Let's talk peaceful hobbies again.
Watching clouds drift.
Listening to rain.
Slow breathing by the window.
Quiet evening tea.
Lying on grass and looking at sky.
Sitting near water.
Feeling the wind.
These moments feel like prayer.
Yes, quiet hobbies connect us to life.
Now let's practice talking about reasons.
I like yoga because it relaxes me.
I enjoy music because it calms my mind.
I love traveling because I feel free.
I enjoy reading because stories inspire me.
I like cooking because food feels like love.
Sweet answer. Thomas, do you ever just sit and do nothing?
Yes, that's also a hobby.
Yes, resting is a hobby too.
My brain sometimes says shh, and I sit quietly.
Silence hobby. Good hobby. Let's imagine a hobby day at home.
Morning sun touches your face.
You make warm coffee or tea.
You stretch slowly.
You open a book or sketchbook.
You play soft music.
You move slowly, breathe slowly.
Time feels soft.
Heart feels gentle.
This is real luxury.
Yes, peace is the biggest luxury. Now, think in your mind.
What hobby do you love most?
Say it inside softly.
I love.
I enjoy.
I feel good when I.
You are practicing English right now.
And practicing love for yourself.
Hobbies are self-care.
Yes, they protect our energy.
Let's practice more hobby examples.
I like organizing my room slowly.
I enjoy watching birds outside my window.
I love listening to ocean sounds.
I enjoy journaling in the morning.
I like taking evening walks.
I enjoy sipping warm tea in silence.
Beautiful hobby collection.
Let's give some new hobby ideas.
Candle making.
Hand lettering.
Playing chess.
Learning about space.
Knitting or crochet.
Collecting simple memories like tickets or shells.
Playing calming video games.
Watching nature documentaries.
So many peaceful options.
Yes, everyone can find a hobby. Let's create some gentle hobby affirmations together.
I make time for hobbies.
Hobbies make me feel good.
I enjoy peaceful moments.
I relax when I do hobbies.
I choose joy every day.
I deserve calm time.
My hobbies help me grow.
I am kind to myself.
I enjoy learning slowly. Feels warm on the heart.
Yes, gentle sentences feel like soft hugs. Thank you for sharing hobby time with us today.
We enjoyed this calm journey with you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite hobby?
And what hobby do you want to try next?
Keep practicing English.
Keep enjoying small hobbies every day.
Keep your soul gentle.
Keep smiling and breathing slowly.
Both.
See you next time.